Tulsa Day Center is here to provide shelter, to provide case management services, to provide whatever somebody might need when they are finding themselves homeless. And so we offer both a clothing room where we have stuff that they can come in and get, and showers and restrooms. But one of the biggest things that we do here is our case management. And our case managers are working one-on-one with our clients. And in a very kind way, they're first going to say, what are you doing here? But more importantly, how can we get you out? How can we get you out of here? Because we know as individuals and as a community, we're all healthier when we have a place to live. And what's been wonderful is over the past several years, that philosophy has flipped upside down. It used to be you get sober, you get a job, and then your reward is you get a place to live. Now they've realized that no, you need that base camp. You need that stability in order to grow and to function and to learn.
I moved here from Phoenix and became homeless rather quickly. It offered me shelter. I never had been homeless before, and it feeds me good. We have a lot of really good churches that come in here, and we get fed every night. We have an awesome clothing room, and they offer a lot of services. I've got case manager here. She's one of the best. And they're working on my housing as we speak. I'm getting on the application tomorrow, as a matter of fact. So looking forward to getting some housing, and just real happy that I have somewhere every night, especially out of this rain. The volunteers are special. You know, we have a lot that come in every week at the different spots in here, and we just really, really love the volunteers.
Day Center means a lot to me. I've never been homeless before, so it's really helping me out a lot. With medical too, and I just think it's awesome. I come from Oklahoma City, so it really means a lot to have a place like this. I know we have them in the city, but I never had to use it, so it's my first time. So it's been a long, rocky road, but I'll get there.
I first came here in 2014. I broke my neck and my back, and they helped me get on my feet to get out and be on my own again. So they helped me with housing, they helped me with furniture. I can come in here and talk to them anytime I want. I actually volunteered down here for a couple months before the neck surgery that kind of put me down. But to me, they've actually been more help than you could possibly think of. And if you try, they're here for you, and you'll succeed.